Kingdom Bank is rolling out financial literacy programs through its MSME Clinics to empower small businesses manage growth, improve record keeping, and access credits more easily. Kingdom Bank Managing Director Anthony Mburu said the lender is keen on expanding access to financial services for Kenya's growing network of entrepreneurs, fabricators, and small business owners.
Kariobangi, being the home of thousands of traders and small-scale manufacturers, is often described as the heartbeat of Nairobi's micro, small and medium-sized enterprises.
The decision to open a branch in Kariobangi was deliberate because this is the hub of industrial activity, especially for the small and medium enterprises. People in Kariobangi are hardworking, resilient and innovative. And these are some of the qualities that we look for in the customers that we're dealing with.
Kariobangi light industry is famous for enterprises involved in woodwork, metal fabrication, mechanical repairs, and creative manufacturing. A number of companies offering different services have been setting up in the area, with the latest being Kingdom Bank that has opened its 25th branch there.
Whatever solutions you're looking for, whatever problems you're facing in that are of financial nature, please come to us and we should be able to work with you. We also want to offer convenience through the digital banking channels that are available, but also convenience in terms of a relationship manager who will be able to work with you, who will be able to listen to your needs, and whom will be able to deliver to you the solutions that you require.
The lender plans to roll out a suite of financial literacy programs to empower business operators and residents in the area.
For Kingdom Bank, opening a branch here is both strategic and symbolic. It is strategic because Kariobangi is a thriving center for micro and small scale manufacturing, retail trade and logistics. And it is symbolic because it embodies the Kenya we believe in, a nation that grows from ground up, built by ordinary citizens doing extraordinary work.
Sylvia Gatti for Prime Edition.